Hello guys, this is Scammer Wala. We are a new YouTube channel who want to expose scammers who scam innocent people and who want to trap victims. So now we want to show you a scammer called Gokul Selvarajan. He is a scammer who is scamming people by selling PS5 for 52,000. As we all know, PS5 was recently launched for pre-orders in India, and many people are crazy about it, and many people want to get PS5 on the first day itself. But as we all know, the sites are unreliable, and many people are not able to get their orders, or their orders are getting cancelled. So on OLX, people are posing as genuine sellers and trying to scam people. So over here, we can see an ad of a scammer called Gokul Selvaraj, who's selling his PS5 for 52,000 rupees. Now, moving on to, after we contacted Gokul Selvarajan on OLX, we chatted with him on WhatsApp. Let me just bring it up for you. Yeah, so let me pull up his chat right now, what we spoke to the scammer. Yeah, as you can see over here, he is sharing the OLX ad and he's speaking about to the price. Over here, you can see he's saying he's selling for 49,500. He is selling around 49,000 to 55,000 price range, so that people are tempted to buy from him. Um, Whereas people who are really selling, they're selling for a big price, like around 60 to 75,000. So over here, you can see how he is speaking with people and how he is trying to build the trust. He is sharing his this SS agency, his company details. He's sharing the Aadhaar card and PAN card of his so-called identity, which is Gokul Selvarajan. This is the PAN card which he's sharing, so that he's to build trust with new victims. This is another Aadhaar card. We have blurred out all the details. Yeah, see, and then we asked him, okay, we believe you're a genuine seller. Please do a video call. Over here, he says that it's not a business. It's not proper business to do a video call. If he was a genuine seller, then he would be ready to take a video call. And he was also saying that he does not accept any cash on delivery. He only accepts cash online. Let me show you some other photos of the chat. See, he's asking people to pay a percentage of 52,000. If people if he believes that you are more young and you are more gullible, he is asking the full amount directly. You can see over here all the chat what we have spoke.
Yeah, so after that, chatting with that this
Hey
person,
Gokulan.
yeah, the fake Oakland, we were curious to, is this guy real? To find out, we just searched his name of his agency, which is SS Agency, on India Mart, and we found that SS agents, I mean, the real owner of the SS agency, I mean, the real person, the real Gokulan. So we took the number from there and we called the real Gokulan. So here's what went in the call and what we spoke to the real Gokulan.
Please enter the three.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Purnima.
Hello, is this
Hello, sir.
Hello, is this SS agency,
Sir?
sir? SS agency, sir. Sir, is your name Gokulan?
Yes, my name is Gopalakanan.
Sir, in OLX PS5 you are selling, sir.
No, I'm not selling. Why?
Someone is advertising as SS agency selling in OLX, sir. They're selling
In which state?
OLX.
In which state, sir?
I am in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Did you pay him?
No, I didn't pay him, sir.
Please don't pay him. He is a fraud who is using my details. He took everything from India Mart and he is manipulating people. So far, 25 members have paid him 50,000 each and around he have looted more than 20 lakhs from everyone around India. And there is a cybercrime complaint which is like being going on there. Please
Okay.
WhatsApp me. This is my WhatsApp number. I'll share you the cybercrime complaint.
Okay, sir. I'll contact you, sir.
Don't pay him. There is no way a PS5 will cost you 50,000 because Sony is billing to us for 70,000. So we are selling for 80,000. So don't
Okay.
believe him by seeing the price of low price and don't pay him anything.
Yes, sir. He was asking me to pay in
Did
online.
you
I
go
told
on a
I'll pay
video call?
cash.
He would have shared you my proof. Did you go on a video call? If
No,
you want
no.
to
I
go on
didn't
a
believe
video
him,
call,
sir. I didn't believe him. That's why I.
please don't believe him.
Okay. I'll ping you in
Report that
WhatsApp, sir.
ad. Please report that ad. You come in video call, see my face and ask him to come in video call. If the same person me standing there, you pay him.
No, I believe you, sir. He told me I'll take only online payment, no cash. Then I stopped believing him,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, if it is a COD means COD, bro.
Yes,
You should
yes.
not pay even 1 rupee.
That's why, sir.
Please report that ad for me. It is like I'm a typical Tamilian and I speak Tamil and English only. That guys are Hindi fucker.
That's what, sir. He is telling, my name is Gokul Selvarajan, and I do not know Tamil. I'm like, bro, your name is pure Tamilian. You don't even know Tamil. You are joking. I told him,
That's
and
what the moment you call me,
he's not even able to tell Tamil, bro. He's saying Tamil. That is like spit on the face, bro. What, bro?
thank God you don't know today like 2% like daily I'm getting 2 to 3 cases. Today so far he earned 1.5 lakh.
Oh,
The known person to me so far he earned 1.5 lakhs. I don't know like how many paid to him.
oh my God, bro. Okay,
Just
bro.
report the ad.
I'll report him and I'll send you
Give me your
WhatsApp, bro.
WhatsApp number.
I will raise
You give me
another
your
case
WhatsApp
on him.
number. I'll share cybercrime complaint.
Okay. My
We muted the number for security purposes. So here my friend just gave his number to
03.
the
Don't pay him.
real Gokulan.
I'm sharing you the cybercrime complaint. Please report that ad saying that it is a fraud and also share me that ad. I'll also report the same.
okay, bro. I will share with you.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
Thanks, bro.
Okay.
It's good that you didn't pay him.
Yes, bro. How can I like that? He's saying I do not know Tamil. How can you say that, bro?
The
And
moment you called me, first I spoke in Tamil. You know, right?
yes,
The moment you called
yes.
me, I spoke in
That's
Tamil.
what, bro.
Okay, bro. Fine. I'll share you the cybercrime complaint.
Yeah,
If
I'll
possible,
share you
share it in
OLX,
your
bro.
circle.
I'll show you. I'll
Yeah,
share
bro.
you. Okay. Thank you, bro. Bye, bro.
Okay, bro. Thanks.
So that was the call recording. And
Yeah.
we even had video call with the real Gokulan. To just show see, this is my friend, and this is real Gokulan, whose identity was used by that scammer. My friend will continue.
Yeah. So let me just show you another voice sample of how these scammers are using this Gokulan's name and his agency. They're they have a Tamil name, but they don't even know how to speak Tamil. Check out this recording.
सर तमिल मेरे को समझ आता पर बोलना नहीं आता सर, मैं यहाँ काम करता हूँ। ओके
Tamil.
सर, अवेलेबल नहीं है सर अभी। आपको लेना है तो वैसे बताइए, और अगर नहीं लेना है तो डायरेक्ट बताइए, ठीक है?
Yeah, let me just close this. So yeah, here's another one.
Sir, first you have to pay 25%, and after your dispatch, you have to pay your remaining amount.
So guys, be careful of these PS5 scammers. Please use official websites, even though you might get delayed. Please don't trust OLX at all.
Yeah.
Always demand for cash on delivery if you are trying to go for OLX or any other third party resellers. I would suggest you to just wait till PS5 is released in the Sony physical centers, or you can try on Amazon or Flipkart or any other websites. But please don't trust scams. A lot of people are wasting their hard-earned money
Yes.
with with such fraudsters. So please be careful.
Our suggestion is please buy PS5 on MRP. If you're rich, you can buy, but please buy if it's like around 70 or 80K. That also I ask you to verify and then buy. But if any
Yes,
PS5 is posted in OLX or any other website for 60 to 40 to 60,000, it might be a potential scammer.
yeah, always demand cash on delivery on OLX, guys.
And legit people, they won't ask for advance. So when you receive the product, you can pay them in full. So there was another thing. I mean, the scammer guy. He sent us a pic. We asked for more pictures, so he sent us a PS5 pic. So do you think this is an Indian PS5 unit? This is not. This is probably a picture he took from the Google. Indian PS5 unit looks like this. So actually, Russian units are being diverted to India. So India is getting Russian
Yeah,
units with
as you
this.
can see, if you zoom on the bottom right, there is
Yeah,
Russian written over there.
yeah, this one. So please, guys, don't fall into this guy's trap. Yeah, and my friend will talk about this cybercrime report, which was created by Gokulan, I guess.
Yeah, so we made a PS5 cyber tracking group in which all the people who were affected by the fake Gokulan, and they shared two cybercrime reports from uh, the fake Gokulan. So let me just show you the images. No, it's not this one, it's another picture. Yeah. So one of the victims, he was based in Mumbai. This is his this is the police complaint which was posted, and they it's showing that the Mumbai city is working on it. So this is one, and there's another picture as well. Yeah, see, this is a screenshot taken from the original Gokulan's phone. He has registered a case on this fake Gokulan. He has put a fraud case and a cybercrime case on the fake Gokulan. So these are the details.
And there was even
Also,
yeah, yeah.
also, guys, if you have fallen a victim to such a scam, please do come forward and please report your complaint to the police. Do not be afraid. Uh, but from my side, I can tell you one thing. Even though your money has gone, it might be very hard, but you have to leave that money. You have to only concentrate on catching this guy, and you have to
Getting
raise a
justice.
complaint. You have to raise a complaint, because if the more the number of complaints he gets on his name, the more jail time this scammer will face.
Yeah.
Please come up with a complaint, guys. Now my friend will continue.
So I think that's pretty much. We don't want anyone. I mean, any more desperate people who want PS5 to fall victim to this Selvaraj guy. So this is to inform not only the guy. This guy is not only the scammer. He's scamming all over India. There might be other people too. So but don't fall to this kind of traps. And thank you for watching this video. And
Please like, share, and subscribe. Do comment
yeah, we just want this to be like spread this news
to
and
spread awareness.
regarding this scam. So that guy will be. Our goal is that we don't want to make money anything on this. We want that guy to be caught. That's it.
Thanks.
Thank you guys.